viewers, welcome to Satish Diary. We are in 1991, India vs Australia, Benson and Hedges. India on the verge of losing the match. Dean Jones unbeaten when Azharuddin threw the ball to Sanjay Manjrekar. And this is what happened.
Two needed by Dean Jones for his half-century. Sanjay Manjrekar has been given the ball and a very occasional bowler. And that's going to be a catch to backward point. Manjrekar gets the wicket. Anticlimax for Dean Jones. Caught by Sachin Tendulkar over at backward point. A skyer off the bowling of Manjrekar. And Jones goes for 48. Off the back of the bat, looking to lift it over mid-wicket. And instead, the ball goes in the opposite direction for Tendulkar to make the catch. So anticlimax and disappointment for Dean Jones, out for 48, and Australia 2 for 174.
Sanjay Manjrekar bowled only 8 deliveries in his one-day international career and took the only wicket of Dean Jones. For more such videos, keep watching Satish Diary.